Hi, my name's Xteen, and I challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today's day 27, and if you saw yesterday's video, it was a bit of a struggle. I didn't sleep that much last night, I'm tired, so now seems like the perfect time to just use a knife. Every time I slice an onion, it's sort of a bloodbath. I can't see. I just want to see what the situation is. Oh my God. Does everybody else cry this much? All around, not pretty, not cute, no one enjoys it. So today we're going to do a little practice, a little experimentation. I'm going to try to cut an onion without crying by using the method that Gordon Ramsay uses. I've watched his little video, I've studied it. I think I'm ready to conquer my struggle. Apparently, allegedly, the key to slicing an onion without crying is leaving the root on while you slice. The root, or as some might say, the butthole of the onion. Is that fact or is it fiction? Has Gordon Ramsay been lying to us? Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is slice it this way, keeping the root intact. Okay, now I guess I need to peel it. Gordon didn't show that part in his video. Okay, see, I already feel like even just peeling it, I'm getting a whiff of the onion juice, and I don't appreciate it. So both halves of the onion have been peeled. I'm ready for my life to change. Okay, now I'm going to do very many thin slices across this top of the onion, like so. Not going all the way to the tip, or the root. So we're keeping the root intact. So far, no tears. I'm feeling a little twinge of something in the eyeball. Okay, I feel pretty good about that. We made our little slices that way. Oh, doing okay, it's just a little. I feel like I am tweaking out in this one eye, but. Okay, and now we're gonna go in, we're gonna hold it together, and we're gonna go in halfway down. It's kind of a small onion, so this is a challenge. And then at the top too, we're gonna go like this. Okay. Okay, and now I'm just gonna dice all the way up to the root. I think this is about where Gordon stopped. Ooh, look at that though. Nice even chop. I'm crying a little bit. It's not as bad as it normally is, but it is still getting to me. Okay, now we're just gonna chop the little top part. Is this better? I think it's a little better, but it doesn't feel better. I'd say so far, I feel like this is a 10% improvement over the amount that I usually cry. I'm crying 10% less, but that's not really that exciting of a margin. Okay, half number 2. Same thing, we're going our little vertical slices. I mean, this does feel like a more efficient way to cut an onion, at least. It's faster than what I've been doing. And now we're going our horizontal halfway slice. And then our little top slice. Oh no. I feel like this half was worse. Oh no. But look at how nicely this onion got diced. Look at that. That's a little bit of a win. So what did we learn? I don't feel like this method stops you from crying while you cut an onion, but I do feel like it's an efficient way to cut an onion. Thank you for watching, and go Bills. Go Bills.